Good morning, everyone. My name is Jose Luis Pinson. I am studying industrial engineer at the UNAD University. Today, I want to tell you about a trip that I am going to do. I will travel to the city of Santa Marta, where I will rest and I will be happy. I am going to visit its beach, and I will also visit the Tayrona National Natural Park. I will be studying at the Cameron Galleon Hotel, and I will be here a lot because the food is delicious. I will wear comfortable clothes for the sun because the climate of Santa Marta is hot. I will go with my mom. I will go to her house tomorrow and I will invite her. I am going to walk on the beach and I am also going to swim in the sea. And I will drink beer. I think I will bring a lot of money so that I can enjoy the trip with my mother. I will buy gifts for my friends. This trip will be very fantastic because I will be with my mother and I will be very calm and happy. They will be memories that will always be on my mind and my heart. Thank you so much.